Welcome everyone to the chapter Course Roadmap under the module Course Introduction and Setup. In this chapter, you are going to see what kind of knowledge and skills you are going to acquire through this course. Let's go through the content of the roadmap. You can go to the content of the course through this URL www.dhanusar.com/getting-started-with-linux. Now we are in the course page. The duration of this course is around 15 to 20 hours and the level is beginner level. Now we will go through the course content. This course is divided into 8 modules and each module has different chapters. You can see our first module is course introduction and setup, where we will have welcome video and course roadmap where we are in right now, and then role of Linux, its benefit and job prospects. There is one important video how to get the best out of this course. Then we will install Linux in our computer and try to set up our own lab. Then it is followed by our assignment number 1. The module number 2 is exploring Linux operating system. We will go through the to-dos we need to do after our Linux installation. Then we will explore the file system through UI. We will also try to install and run our application through UI. And lastly, we will work with few OS level settings. And it is followed by our assignment number 2. So these two modules are expected to be covered in day 1. Now we will go to our day 2 content, and the module number 3 is understanding Linux concept. While our day 1 content is more on theoretical and introduction part, we will start technical from day 2. Here under understanding Linux concept module, we will have what is Linux. We will try to understand why we need to use Linux and what are the different use cases of Linux. Then we will move on to various distribution of Linux. And finally, we will try to understand the difference between Unix and Linux. And it is followed by our assignment number 3. On the same day too, it is expected to cover our module number 4, Linux basic command. We will start with the bash and terminal introduction, then cover tab completion and arrow keys. Then we will try to explore our file system through command line. Then we will work with commands to handle files and directories. We will try to install and remove software packages through command line. And then we will see the important file related commands. Finally, it is followed by our assignment number 4. On day 3, we have Linux advanced commands. We will start by seeing file display commands. Then we will try to see how to manage environment variable. Then we will see commands to monitor processes and memory. We will also try to understand how to compress and archive files and directories. Then finally, we will see some other useful commands. There are a few bonus chapters how to run C program in Linux and also how to use MySQL database in Linux. It is followed by assignment number 5. On day 4, we will see how to use Vim editor and Tmux. Under that, we will see the Vim editor and basic commands. Then we will see more advanced Vim commands. And finally, the Tmux introduction. And it is followed by our assignment number 6. On final day, we will see the module file ownership and permission. We will see who owns a file or directory and how we can change the ownership. We will also try to see the permission associated with file and how to change it. It is followed by assignment number 7. Finally, our bonus module, We will see sudo and su, and there are few other chapters which are hidden right now, and then finally our eighth assignment. I hope that you are as excited as me after going through this content. Hope to see you in the bootcamp. Thanks for watching.